Sure, sir.
Good evening, Amos sir. How are you? Sir, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Yeah, Kamlesh here, sir. How are you?
Yeah, doing fine, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
sir.
sir. Yeah, fine, sir.
Last
Yeah.
meeting went. Last meeting, like it was like it's like I don't know, like that day itself only it was announced, and we are not
Yes.
able to meet itself only.
That's true. That's true, sir.
Anyway, sir, thank you for joining our live session, sir. In this session, basically, on our platform, like on our platform, we are conducting one learning game that is known as Beyond Knowing. So,
Okay.
in this game, sir, like we give some activities to the students on a daily basis, so that their daily learning should be improvised on a everyday basis. So they play quizzes daily, sir. 20 quizzes they play here, 20 quiz questions they play here, and they post one quiz question daily here, and we just educate them and we just motivate them to post their own self-made question itself only. But sometimes they take the help from here and there, but slowly they are improving up into that activity.
Fine,
So
sir.
they are posting one quiz questions daily, they are answering the questions, they are interacting each other, and they are doing like reading activities. So all these learning activities they do here, sir.
Yeah,
So
that's fine, sir.
our team completely they just review the activities. Like we don't allow any duplicate comments or any comment which is not having any new information. We don't allow. So we review whole day, and one day, like 1 hour, 8 to 9, we do a live review, so that students can understand where the mistakes they are doing, how where they need to improvise, and how they can score the more points in the game by maintaining the good quality. So
Sure, sir.
we
Sure,
just want
that's
to
nice.
look on whatever the work is being done by the students, and wherever you just find, wherever you just want to give some suggestions, it will be definitely help
Sure,
in
sir.
for us.
Sure, sir. I'll do that. I'll do that, sir.
So Rashmi, you can begin.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Like today we are reviewing some of the like recent quiz comments, and the question is posted by Sonu on the topic of software engineering. The question is like this: the efficiency in a software product does not includes. Okay, the comments are like first comment is given by Rakshita. Like the option D is correct. She is telling like licensing. Okay, software license mainly provides end user with the right to one or more copies of software without any violation. Some common types of includes like patents, trademarks, copyright, trade secrets. Some document provides a easy guidelines to use and distribution of software. So, okay, like it is good. And we can go to Banu PK's comment. Like she is giving like licensing of a software product comes under the corporate part of the software company. Okay.
Okay, she has given the extension of the first answers. Like Banu PK, like we have said before, not to repeat a comment again. She has given extension, like extra information apart from the option, like what first has commented.
Yes, like
she could have given through reply, right? Yeah.
Okay. Then I can we can
Yes,
give
she
a
could have like.
yes. We can give a quality bonus for
You
Rakshita.
can continue.
Yes,
Yeah,
like
we
for
can give
Rakshita.
a quality bonus for Rakshita Adiga.
And even we can appreciate for Banu PK, like it has been like different content she is trying to like giving extra information rather than the first comment what is there that.
Like no, Rashmi, like we cannot appreciate Banu, like since she knows she's not that this thing new player to the beyond knowing, right? Like she could have given it through reply, like not through comment. I think so.
Okay, fine then. We can ignore it. We can. Hello.
Yeah,
We suggest like sometimes you suggest that any of the information which is not in the first comment, other comment as well will
Sindhu, your voice is completely breaking.
Okay, so I can continue then.
Okay. Okay, we can move on to the next comment done by Nida on the question posted by Teja. The it of data structure. The in-order traversal of tree will yields by sorted list of elements of a tree in. Okay, like she has been telling option B. binary search trees. Okay, is the correct answer. Here there are three methods of traversing the tree: in-ordered, post-ordered, and the pre-order. Like even she has been given explanation, like given some of the information about in-order, post-order, and pre-order. It would be better
Like,
for that.
what's the question about?
Like in-order traverser of tree. Well,
Will
buyers
yield,
or
what is this? Will yield
buy.
sorted listing elements of the tree in. Okay, the in-order traversal of a tree will yield by sorted listing elements. Of the tree in, yeah, like she could have been still more clear about the question, like
That only, like she has been given little bit of like this, like you're telling about comment or question.
Like I'm telling about the question, like
Okay.
in the sense, yeah, the question is actually she has only mentioned that methods and all. Like here, the question is asked about the in-order traversal of tree will yield by sorting the listing of elements in a tree. That is
Yes.
either the binary trees, binary search tree, or heap tree. Like explanation is not with respect to the options.
Like see, she is telling like binary search tree is the correct answer. There are three methods of traversing the tree. She is telling like she has not given like explanation much of that. Okay. Then like we can suggest her like be specific.
We can ignore and move on.
Okay, sure. Then like they are the old like old users, they know the rules and regulations, so we are ignoring them. So like, okay, we can move on to the next question posted by Sonu. Choose the correct option in terms of issues related to professional responsibilities. Okay, like Banu has been commended for this. Like option C is the answer. Like she's telling both the confidentialities and intellectual property rights. Okay, the engineer should normally respect the confidentiality of their employees or the clients, irrespective of the whether or not a formal confidentialities agreements has been signed. They should be aware of the local laws governing the use of the intellectual property, such as the patents, copyrights, etc. Okay, it
Totally
is.
copied from other website, Rashmi.
Yeah, it is copied from the
For
website.
interview.
Complete answer is copied.
Okay, then we can suggest her through the reply.
No, actually, why? Because we already suggest this girl.
You
to
can
so many
move on.
times.
Just don't hit the appreciation or quality bonus. You can move on.
I just ignore her.
Wherever they have to, taken from somewhere else, anyway, they got a comments points. Okay, so it doesn't matter. We should not appreciate. That's it.
Okay, sir. Next, we are moving on to the next question posted by Teja. The question is like this: the post-order traverser of a binary tree is DEFBFCA. Find out the pre-order traverser. Okay, like they have given like this one. We need to like pre-order like that. We need to traverse that route. Okay, the pre-order traversal route comes first. Okay, since A is the route, A would appears first. Following routes would be the left and right subtrees. And so the left subtree would be BDE. Again, B would be the root of the left subtree and followed by D. And like one more thing, instead of doing this in the last, she had been given a like tree structure. She had drawn. It will be good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And like it will be like more specific and clear about her answer. She has given quite content of like explanation she had done, but even she had been drawn a graph, she have an option there, like she had drawn that, it would be like more good and better.
Yeah.
Okay, like the followed by D and E, which are the left and right child respectively. So the pre-order traversal till now would be A, B, D, E. Last comes the right subtree, hence C would be the root of the right subtree, followed by C, its left child. So the entire pre-order traverser of the tree would be A, B, D, E, C, F. Okay, like option C, she is telling like option C is the right answer. Okay, like she has explained, but even though she had been given like as I said, like she had been given a tree like structure, it would be good,
representation of the answer would be
in a better way.
Still more descriptive in the sense like.
Okay, then we have no need of giving palliative bonus or.
No, not needed. Those things.
Okay, like she has she have an option to represent in the tree structure. It would be like try to do it in the next questions. Okay, like the next question is posted by Neetu. A relational calculus is the okay, like Like Hemant has been commented, like relational calculus is a non-procedural query language that tells the system what data to be retrieved, but does not tell how to retrieve it. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, non-procedural language he is saying, like answer is correct for that. Okay, relational calculus is a non-procedural query language, and instead of algebra, it uses a mathematical predicate calculus. The relational calculus is not the same as that of differential and integral calculus in mathematics, but takes its name from a branch of symbolic logic termed as a predicate calculus. Option B is the right answer. She also is like Manushree is also telling like option B, like non-procedural language is right answer. She is telling like okay. Uh, what do you all say like about the Hemant and Manushree's comment?
We can appreciate both of, but no need to give a quality bonus.
Okay, then like
But one is explained about like relational calculus completely. Like he has explained little bit in a short way, and she has given it in some more descriptive way. It is fine if you appreciate. It is fine.
okay, for both we can appreciate, right?
Yeah.
Okay, like it has been mathematical prediction calculus relational. It is not same as the differential okay. Uh, okay, we can move on to the next comment done by Neetu for the question posted by Sonu. The reason of software bugs and failures is due to. Okay, Banu has been commented for that. Like option A is the correct answer. Like software companies. Okay, the software companies are the responsible for making a policies and providing a working atmosphere for the software development. So in turn, these companies become a part of software development process. Okay, like we can appreciate her. Okay, the next comment of Neetu, like she is also telling option C, she is telling. Okay, both software companies and the developers. Okay, then software companies are making responsible policies and providing the good working atmosphere for the well development of the software. So in turn, these companies become a part of software development process. Bugs from developer side is no new things. So this is the reason for software bugs and failures. Like Neetu's like comment is like concluding what she's telling, like why it is so both. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, hello. Yeah.
Yeah, like this, like what
Like,
Neetu is telling, it is concluding her answer. Why I'm asking you, like it is, she is telling about company, and I'm not saying like about the developer. She has not told like much of this. Why it is.
like Rashmi, 1 minute more on to the question. Like I was temporarily disconnected from Zoom. Okay, the
sure.
reason for software bugs and failures is due to like both have mentioned different option, right?
Yes. Like Banu PK is telling like option A is the right answer. Like software companies, like she is telling like option B, like both are developers and the software companies are both are like responsible.
Yeah. Okay. Like since I checked it out now. Like Neetu's answer is correct related to the question.
Okay, like she has given, but see, at the part of software development process, bugs from the developer sites is no new things.
So this is the reason for software bugs and failures. Like she has explained. I think so. She has explained software companies are making responsible policies and providing the good working atmosphere. Yeah,
We can give a we can give a quality bonus to her.
Yeah, we can give a quality bonus to her. Like since she's new and all, no, like we can encourage her. Like
yes.
For some questions, yes, she does a good analyzation also.
Yes, like next comment is done by Nida Fatima, and the question is posted by Meghana Nagraj. Like RSB is the instruction used to. Okay, like RSB is used to reverse subtraction. So option is C. Like she wouldn't given like better explanation for this. Like she had been given an example for this, right?
Yeah.
So we can ignore it. Like we can suggest her.
Better to suggest that one.
Okay, like be descriptive about your answer.
Yeah.
Be descriptive about the answer. That gets you more quality bonus. Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, fine, fine.
Okay, we can move on to the next comment done by Banu PK for the question posted by Sonu, like the reason for software bugs, and like it has been reviewed, right? Okay, we are move on to next, like Rakshita's comment for the question posted by Sonu. Efficiency in the software product does not include, so like it has also has been reviewed. And the next comment is done by Banu PK for the question posted by Sonu. Which of this are not among the 8 principles followed by a software engineer code for of ethics and professional practice? Okay, like option D is the answer. Environment. Reset all our clause of software ethics environment does not focus on the specific clause nor its of importance related to question. Relate to question, like what she is telling to say. It's all the clause of software ethics environment does not focus on the specific clause nor its of like Bindia, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Like see, the answer is not, like I think so it has not been concluding for the question.
Go up to question part. Oh God. Hello, Rashmi, are you there?
Hello? Yeah, sorry,
Yeah,
has been
yeah.
disconnected. Okay, like you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This was the question posted by Sonu.
Hmm.
Like the answer is like, I think it has not been justifying the question.
Yeah, that is not related to that particular question. Ignore it.
Okay. We can move on to the next comment parts. Okay, the same Nida has been given comment for the question posted by Meghana Nagraj, and SWPB instructions is used for. Okay, SWPB instruction loads a byte of data from source. 0 extends the byte to form a 32 bits words and stores this to rest. I think so. It is rest or disk. Okay, it then takes the LSB byte from option like operand 1 and stores it to source. Therefore, performing a swipe between the byte value contained at memory and the LSB byte of the register. Option B is the right answer, like correct answer she is telling. Swap a byte between memory and a register. Okay, like it is like she has been given a good descriptive about that, right?
Yeah. You can give a quality bonus to her.
Like okay, okay. We can move on to the next comment done by Banu PK. Like the question is posted by Teja. Which of the function is more appropriate for reading a multi-word string? Okay, like we can go move on to the recent comment done by Banu PK. Like option B is the right like answer is like she is telling gets collects the strings of character terminated by a new line from the standard input stream std in. Like okay, we have a reply for the above comment. Like it okay, by Tejaswani, it has been given for one of the monthly mentor. Like, it's a good try, Nida, but slowly try to answer in your own words. Like, she has been copied from other websites, so we are suggesting them to like slowly improvise them. So when the new comments, like new users are there, we'll suggest them through the reply, so that they'll come to know that to improvise in the further questions. Okay, the next question is like LSL instruction used for like a microprocessor posted by Meghana. LSL is a logical shift left by 0 to 31 places. Okay, option A is the correct answer. And like she has not much descriptive about her answer, right? Bindia?
Yeah.
Yeah, like she is
Actually,
not much.
I give us too much suggestion to this girl, so no need to give any suggestion. Just
You can
ignore.
ignore. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Fine. Next comment is done by Nayana YH for the question posted by Purnima. Like, which of the following contains the machine code? Okay, Rakshita has been commented like option A is the correct answer. Like the Python interpreter, like okay, the Python interpreter is a virtual machine, meaning that it is a software that illuminates a physical computer, and it is a bytecode interpreter. Its input is instruction sets called bytecode. Okay, and the Nayana has given the comment like an interpreter is a program that reads and executes the code. This includes the source code, pre-compiled code, scripts. Common interpreters include Perl, Python, and Ruby interpreters, which executes the Perl, Python, Ruby code respectively. Interpreters bypass the compilation process and executes the code directly. Okay, like I think so. Like Nayana has been like given. A good content, right?
Yeah. Actually, what you're telling, Nayana actually copied from other website, but Rakshita HS is there now. She's like try to give her own words.
Okay, we
But
can give a
Nayana is,
okay,
yeah. You
we
can give
ignore of
a
Nayana's
Nayana's
comment,
comment and just appreciate Rakshita. No
and
need to
even
give
given
a
a
quality bonus. Just appreciate her.
given a quality bonus. Like she has been given a try to give like her own comment.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
like we
it's
can
okay.
ignore Nayana's like why because she's
Uh,
a like old player. Like she know all the
yeah.
rules and regulations. And the next question is posted by Niranjan Prasad. Like which of the following operator is applied on least will results a Boolean value? Okay. Option D, like A and B, like in and uh, is the operators returns the Boolean value. The in operator is used to check if a value exists in the sequence or not. Okay, evaluates to true if it find a variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise. Each operator evaluates to true if the variable on either side of the operator points to the same object, fail otherwise. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like someone was reading. So okay.
That is Teju.
Okay, fine. Okay, the content is like she has been given good, right? Even she has explained for the both in and is operators.
Yeah, you can appreciate her.
Okay. Like even we can give a quality bonus. Why? Because she has given explanation like why in and why is used.
Okay.
We can give.
Yeah.
Okay. We can move on to the next comment done by Banu PK. And the question is which library functions can change a unsigned long integer to a string? Okay, like Vinay has been commented for that, like option C, the function which used to converting an unsigned long integer to a string. This string is placed at the buffer past which is greater than or to hold the execution. The size of buffer must have been at least like 8 size of in plus 1 okay bytes when changing values in base 2 that makes the size 17 bytes on 16-bit machines and 32 bytes on 32-bit machines. Okay. Like we can move on to the next comment done by Banu PK. And the options, like she is also telling like option C is the correct answer. Then like the function converts the unsigned long into a character string. The string is placed in the buffer past, which must be larger enough to hold the output. Okay, the radix value can be octal, decimal, or hexadecimal. When the radix is decimal, is telling like unsigned long integer function produce the same results as the following statement. Okay, void print like it is a code or what like void print yes printf buffer of
Rashmi, actually, Banu is totally copied from other website, and above one who is commented by Vinay SR. He is also
yes.
copied, but he is collecting information from different website.
Okay, we
Vinay
can
SR. We can
delete Banu
appreciate him
PK's comment.
actually, but yeah.
We can give a duplicate content and we can delete it.
Sure. You can delete.
Okay. And we can clap for him. At least he is trying
At least
to.
he's just collecting the information from different website. Yeah, you can appreciate him.
Okay. We can move on to the next comment. Like the comment is done by Rakshita Adiga for the question posted by Manushri. What is the full form of DML? Okay, DML is the data manipulation language. It is used to retrieve, store, modify, delete, insert, update data in a database. Like option A is the correct she is telling, like data manipulation language she is telling. Like Nida Fatima is telling like full form of DML is a data manipulation language. Okay, the question is like what is full form that they has been asking like full form, like abbreviation they're asking. Even Rakshita Adge is telling like it is mainly used to retrieve and manipulate data in relational database, and these are incorporated in SQL. It contains some of the operations in the language: select, update, insert, delete. These are the some commands used in the DML, and even it helps to handle the user request. Okay. So
we
like
can get we can
like-
get a quality bonus for Rakshita, right? Rakshita Adiga, and we
yes,
can delete Nida Fatima's
Same
comment.
content actually is
like
given by Vidya also. Vidya also saying same thing.
yes, like Vidya is telling same, like Rakshita has given extra comment is like the extra information is this much, I feel so, right?
Yeah,
Okay, like why? I mean,
we
no
can
need of
appreciate both of them, but give quality bonus to Rakshita Adiga.
okay. Like for Nida Fatima also we
Just
can cannot delete. Why? Because the question is directly she has given like at
okay,
least
okay.
like manipulation language. So we can let it like no appreciation and quality bonus, but it's fine.
Okay.
We can give a quality bonus for Rakshita Adiga.
Yeah, you can go.
Okay, and we can move on to the next comment done by Manushri. For the question posted by Neetu, what is the shell script? And the comment is shell script is the list of commands in the computer program that is run by the Unix shell, which is a command line interpreter. A shell script usually has commands that describe the steps. The different operations performed by a shell scripts are program execution, file manipulation, and the text printing. The wrappers is also a kind of shell script that creates the program environment and runs the program. Okay, option A is the correct answer she is telling. Group of comments she is telling.
No need to give any appreciation or quality bonus because she is copied totally from other website. Just
Okay.
ignore her.
Okay, then we can move on to the next comment done by same Manushri for the question posted by Meghana, like UMULL stands UML stands for like option A is the answer. Okay, unsigned multiplied long she is telling. Like instruction interprets that value from Rn and Rm has unsigned integers. So it multiplies this integers and places the least significant 32 bits of the result in RDLO. Okay, and the most significant 32 bits of results in RDHI. Okay.
Yeah, what's this RDLO and RD?
I'm not like we can take help from the sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the question, the comment is done by Manushri is like Karthik sir.
RDLO.
Hello.
Sir, like the comment is done by Manushri sir. Like it is, we are not getting the idea of like what is RDLO and what RDHA. She's telling to tell. Like she's
Even
trying
I
to.
don't have idea about that one.
Okay, sir. Okay, then we can like we can cross check it
yes.
later. It'll be added to the
Yes, sir.
favorite. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, we can move on to the next comment done by Nayana for the question done by question is posted by Neetu. Like ODBC stands for okay. ODBC stands for Open Database Connectivity. Option A is the right answer. Okay, like neither you are doing good, like you are giving the correct answer. Like even you can give still of info, like little bit of information about that thing, then it gets you a quality bonus. Like do like that in the next questions. Like even they are asking like abbreviations, and it is fine. You need to give only that answer. Like instead of that, you if you give a still little bit of 3 or 4 lines of information about that, it helps the others participant. Okay, like next comment is done by Rakshita. Like option D is the correct. Open database connectivity. It is a standard database access method developed by SQL and created by Microsoft that is used by Windows software applications. This is important because it allows the application to interact with multiple database simultaneously using SQL. The main aim is to access any data from other applications. Anyway, all DBMS have to like handle the data. Okay, it is quite descriptive, right?
Yeah.
We can clap here.
Yeah, it is descriptive. Like we can appreciate Adiga, Rakshita Adiga.
Okay, and the next comment is done by Nayana. Like open database connectivity. Okay, is a standard application program interface like API for accessing database management system. Okay.
Yeah.
And she has taken only the three words, and she has been explained her like her comment in that, like abbreviating that one.
Yeah, we can also appreciate Naina YH, and we can give the quality bonus for Rakshita Adiga.
Okay, sure. You can like Rakshita's Adiga, like Rakshita Adiga comment is fine, right? It is like
Yeah, like
descriptive.
she has explained with respect to the SQL and all, like sufficient information is provided by Rakshita Adiga.
Yes, fine. We can move on to the next questions. Okay, and like for the question, the comment is done by Banu PK. What is built-in library function for comparing the two strings?
Yeah.
Okay, the string compare. We can go on, move on to the next, like latest, like new comments, right?
Yeah, the recent comments.
Yes. And the option A is the correct answer she is telling, like string compare. Okay, the string compares two string characters by character. Okay, the first string of two string is equal the next character of two string are compared. Okay, this continues until the corresponding character of the two strings are different or a null characters, like slash zero is reached. It is defined in a string. Okay, like it is good explanation, right?
Yeah, it is a good explanation. Yeah.
Okay.
Like we can appreciate Banu PK in this,
and even the quality bonus.
Yeah, like we can give the quality bonus for Banu.
Okay, sure. And the next comment is done by Nida for the question posted by Manushri. What is the full form of DML? I think we have viewed this question.
It's reviewed.
And the next, like Vindhya has commented for this question, like an array is passed to a function by. We can go through the Vindhya's comment, like don't copy the question and answer content as it is from the other website. Okay, like what she is trying to tell, like both the question and answers are copied from the other website. Like Vindhya, both the comments are copied from other website, right?
Yeah, Rashmi.
Okay, then we can ignore this. Like both are the, like they are good players in the BK, both Rakshita and the Kanijashree. Like it is not been done from them. Like if they do by their, like explain by their own, that leads to get them a quality bonus. We can ignore this, right, Tejaswini? Okay, then we can
just ignore that one.
Okay, the next comment is next comment on by Nayana for the question posted by Niranjan Prasad. What will be the output of the below code? Like it is of Python. Okay, and the option B is the output of the above code. That is false. A list is a data structure.
We can, Rashmi, like we can ignore and
structure in the Python that is mutable or changeable ordered sequence of elements. Each element or value that is inside of a list is called an item. Just a string are defined as characters between quotes. List are defined by having a values between a square bracket. Okay, it is right. And the tuple is collection of Python objects separated by comma. In some ways, a tuple is similar to a list in terms of indexing, nested objects, and repetition. But a tuple is immutable, unlike list, which are mutable. Tuples are defined by having a values between simple brackets. Okay, like she has given descriptive, but Bindya, hello, Tejaswini. Okay, fine. We can go. Like I think so. Like she has not explained about the code what is asked, but she has given an explanation about the what is list, what is tuple, and that thing she has
Yeah.
been explained. We can we can ignore her.
Like yeah. We
But
can
it is
ignore her, like yeah, the
yeah,
content is related to the this thing topic only, but she could have explained with respect to the code.
yeah. Like it is not relating to the questionnaire part. Like why it is false, she had been explained that one. Okay, the next comment is done by Rakshita Adiga for the question posted by Neetu, like ODBC. I think we have reviewed this one, right?
Yeah, this question is reviewed.
Okay, next Shashank's comment for the question posted by Purnima. Like what is the output of the following code? It is max sukshmas. It has been given.
Yeah.
Okay, the input given to max is a string. Okay, and we know that the string is a stream of characters. Okay, right. In order to find the max character, we have ASCII values. Okay, in the string, Sukshma's highest ASCII value is yes. For yes, it is of 115.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it will return the character yes. Okay, like that it is
Yeah, the
asking like
string.
maximum. So he's been
Yeah.
explained. It is explanation is good. Even we can give a quality.
Yeah, it is
bonus.
fine with me. Like yeah.
Even you can hit a quality bonus for
Yes, sir.
because if a small thing also doesn't matter, but they have tried their own something to create.
Yes, sir. For the questionnaire part.
Okay, she's this question is done from Purima Avaji. Okay, good.
Like she's a new player.
She's old participant, but actively now she is
Yes,
doing it.
Yes,
But if
sir.
she if she's trying something of their own, it's good. We should appreciate it.
Okay, sir. Okay, we can move on to the next comment done by Rakshita Adiga. Like the question is posted by Manushri. Which of these operators is used to allocate memory to array variable in Java? Okay, operator new allocates. Okay, malloc, calloc, new and new malloc. Okay, this is the option. In that she is telling new allocates a block of memory specified by the size of an array and gives the reference of memory allocated to the array variable. Option C is the right answer.
Yeah.
Okay. And the next comment is done by Rakshita Adiga. Like option C is the correct. The new operator in the Java is responsible for the creation of new object. Mainly to create a Java, we need declaration, instantiations, initialization. Some class will provide the blueprint of for objects. We can create an object from a class. Okay, here memory are allocated dynamically in heap with reference and defined pointers from stack. And the memory are allocated in runtime of program. Okay.
This is like it is good information, but I doubt like whether it is copied or it is own. But it is good. She has explained it clearly.
Okay, like shall I check this one once in the Google?
Yeah.
Okay. No, like she has been explained by her own.
Yeah, that is good then. It is like good information. She has written it properly. She has framed the sentence properly. You can hit quality bonus as well if it is.
Okay. Like, and the next comment is done by Nida. I think it has been reviewed.
Yeah. ODBC has been reviewed already.
Yes. And the next question is like which of this operator is used to allocate memory to like this has also been reviewed just now.
Yeah.
Okay. And the next comment is done by Vinay for the question Meghana BS. Which of the following operator has its associativity for from right to left?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right to left.
Okay, has been given a parity.
You can go to the options ones, like options ones. Let us review first and we can move to this. Yeah, fine. Okay.
Okay, and the answer she is telling like option D, operator has its own associative from right to left because asterisk is in a Python, is a
And
Python
exponent
exponent
operator.
operator, and this exponent operator is used in a Python to perform exponential calculation by using operators.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
is fine. This is fine.
Okay, I can give a appreciation for her, like it has been given a quality bonus.
Then
Okay,
option B.
like
In the
option
Python, it is used for a multiplication purpose by either side of operands. That assignment operation are typically right associative. Otherwise, it will be a left associative. Example: A is 2, B is 3, and multiplying A, B. This example associativity will not done because it consists of only one operator. The
okay,
associativity is only used for a time of 2 or more with equal precedence.
okay.
Yeah, okay,
We
but
can
it is good, but it feels like me for like somewhat confusing. You can like it has been given a quality bonus already. It is good. It's okay.
okay, fine. Like I can appreciate him. Okay, I think now we can review some of the question comments.
Yeah, questionnaire.
Rashmi, once again.
Yes, sir.
Emu sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So we have like actually two activities. They post the quiz questions and they post the questions. So till
Yeah.
now, what we were reviewing is that was the quiz questions where they provide the options also. And
sir.
we just review accordingly. Now we are
Yeah.
moving to the questions where they directly ask the questions, even though they don't know the options. So it's like a plain
Okay.
question. So we are now moving to that part, sir. Yeah,
Fine, sir.
I
Fine,
think,
fine.
yeah, you can begin. Rashmi.
Okay, now we can review the recent question comments. And the first comment is done by Manisha for the question posted by Nayana. What is the difference between C Python and Python? Okay, like Nida Fatima is given Python is a language specification. C Python is the implementation of the language called Python and C. Okay, fine. And the next comment is done by Meghana. Python is a language with set of rules used to write program. C Python refers to the language originally interpreted with C language. Like both are same content, right? Like she had explained in other words, like same. What is the content is the same she has given. Okay, next comment done by Manisha. Python is a language specification, whereas C Python is the implementation of the language called Python in C. When I say implementation, I mean the language used to write the interpreter. In C Python, the official distribution of Python, the interpreter is written in C. Okay. Like Manisha's comment is like quite descriptive, right?
Yeah, it's descriptive. Yeah.
You can clap her, but these both like we can delete Meghana's comment.
No, Rashmi. Like no. Actually, like 1 minute. Like see, Nida Fatima's comment is like, yes, Python is a language specification. She's telling us Python is a language with a set of rules used to write programs. Like yeah, C Python she has described like implementation of the language called Python in C, whereas C Python is referred to as a language originally interpreted with a C language. Like yeah, they are conveying like somewhat same, but yeah, we can ignore and move on. Like no.
Why? Because like Meghana has been like old comment, so
Yeah, the completely like she's not copied Nida Fatima's comment, right?
Fine. We can move on to the next comment. Manisha has given the comment for the Sonu's question, like what is the software re-engineering? Okay, like Banu has been comment like software re-engineering is the process of updating a software without affecting its fundamental. This process may be done by developing additional features on the software and adding the fundamentalities that that may or may not be required but considered to make the software experience better and more efficient. Like it is good content, right? Hello. Okay, and we can move on to the next comment. I can clap for Banu. She has given like good content. She has explained. We can just decide the quality bonus in the later. Okay, the Manisha has given like software engineering is a process of software development which is done to improve the maintainability of a software system. Engineering is the examination and alteration of a software to reconstitute it in a new form. Okay, this process encompasses a combination of sub-process like reverse engineering, forward in engineering, reconstructive, etc. Totally re-engineering is the reorganizing and modify the existing software system to make them more maintainable. Okay, like it is conveying, I can clap for both, like both are trying to convey the same content. Okay, we can move on to the next comment done by Meghana. For the question posted by Nayana, like what is the difference between, like we have viewed this question. Okay, the next comment is done by Rakshita. Like question is like, how do you assign a value to a tuple in Python? Okay, Rakshita, one requirement is that the number of variable on the leftmost match the number of elements in the tuple. Okay, one way to think of tuple assignment is as tuple packing or unpacking. The left side is a tuple of variables. Okay, the right side is a tuple of values. Each value is assigned to its respective variables. Okay, it is good content, Rakshita. Assigning. Okay, we can give a quality bonus to her. Hello. I think so. Like on our.
I think Tejashwini has lost connection, Rashmi.
Yes, sir.
Rashmi, it's okay. Now you just, I'll just request a remote from you. So I'll demonstrate a points table to sir.
Yes, sir. Like I have opened all the this one.
Yeah,
sir.
I have given you a request. Just accept it.
Okay, sure, sir.
Remote. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, actually, like, Amos, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So basically, sir, like what we try to do here, we try to engage the students and try to do the, like, we try to make them to do the lot of activities, lot of group discussions, lot of like activities in the sense like they do a major 5 activities here. They play a quizzes of 20 questions daily. So out of which whatever the score they get it, we put up into a points table. We call it this table as a points table. So this table is basically like showing up overall performance of the day. So like how much is the score they got it. So like 24.30 they have got in the play quiz, and 10 points they got out of one quiz posting. So we asked them to post one quiz question of them they have to post one quiz question on a daily basis, which we were reviewing. So those were the questions posted by the students itself only. And they need to answer 5 questions daily. Like minimum we are saying 5 questions daily. So 5 questions, whatever they will answer, so we are providing 10 points for that activity. And they have to read at least 50 posts or the comments or the answers they have to read. Okay, so for that also we are giving them the 10 points, sir. And we have some bonus concepts called as bonus concept. So bonus means if they're regular for 4 days, we are giving them 5 bonus points. And then if they become a mentor into a game, then we provide them some 5 points here. If we have around 16 levels in this game. So if they switch from one level to other level, like upper side upgradation, so we provide them 10 points. And if the quality is good, like when they were reviewing Rashmi and Tejashwini, so they were hitting the quality bonus. So the better the quality is there, more the quality bonus will be there. See for Lavanya, she is having 3.8 quality bonus. So she is having the highest quality bonus in this view area, because her questions or her answers were good enough. She has not directly copied pasted from somewhere. She has tried to write something of their own, or something she has tried to create of her own. So based on that, we have given a quality bonus. So this table just shows whatever the activities done by the students in a day. So like Khanija Shri, she has Lavanya 58.542. So these activities they do on a daily basis, and they spend on and around 1.5 hour, on an average 1.5 hour they're spent here. And like they do all of such activities. And Karthik sir?
Yes, sir.
So we have, sir, in this like few activities, it's like completely purely social media platform, Amos, sir. So we try to just engage the students, network with the other students, network with their friends, and just try to discuss something which is creative, something which is productive, as something which is useful for their academic purpose. So that kind of thing, just we try to do the things here. I'll just show you how the things looks in the dashboard of the like or a profile page of a.
Okay, sir.
कमांडो 3 मूवी जाते को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए उसका डिवाइस दिमाग के शोध में होम
Hello.
उसका डिवाइस दिमाग के शोध में एक्स्ट्रा दिन
Hello.
And 129 is the number of quizzes they have played?
Sir, 129 is the number of quizzes played.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
So 595 comments she made already.
Audible, sir?
89 replies. 89 replies, 2K claps.
Wonderful.
Rashmi?
Yes, sir. Like Kamlesh, sir, voice is like, it is not audible, sir. So I was asking like it is audible for you.
No, no.
It's not audible for me. Even it's not audible for me.
For me as also, it's not audible.
Like, so, okay. Like,
You are having screen, na?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You can. Is it possible you can move to my dashboard?
Yes, sir. Like it is. Yeah.
Sir, this is what my dashboard, sir. Here I am
Okay.
posting e-notes. I'm posting self-made quiz questions. So a number of students, they can come to my platform. They can answer it. They can comment it. Today I have posted some very good questions of Java. Rashmi, can go for the quiz.
Yes, sir. Sure. Like these were the some of the quiz posted by Karthik, sir.
See, sir, some 48 views are already there done. So they are clapping for my questions also. They are commenting for my questions also here.
That's nice.
Yes, sir,
Click on.
I have opened. Yes, I have opened a question posted by sir. Like it is quiz question, sir. Like also it is on basis on Java, sir.
Nice, nice.
Okay,
At the end, they are providing the descriptive answer also. Some of the students, these students, Prajwal as well as Shashank, they're always doing the best, sir. They are giving some descriptive answer for the questions. So it would be helpful for the other student also.
Very nice.
And apart from that, we are providing, especially in my profile, we are providing like e-note facility also.
so like
So
these are
these
the
kind of e-note. Rashmi.
yes, sir, I had opened one. Yes, sir, sure.
Go up. So this is what the heading is, fetching single record from the database dynamically using array list concept.
Okay.
So this is what the screenshot I have uploaded. So meanwhile I'm providing all the concepts also, like front end design, middleware, and back end coding also. I'm showing everything, how exactly this code will be working. So anyone can come here, they can view, they can utilize this platform also. They can read
Very
it, they can
nice.
analyze it.
Very nice.
So in such a way we are designing in future also, sir. We are keep on providing the very good notes for the students. They can learn here for their interviews or purpose also. They can come and learn here.
Correct.
So this is what we are giving for the as a social media platform, sir. We are providing the very good benefit for the students.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
So here we are providing the quiz questions, e-notes informations. Anyone can come to our platform. Anyone can play the quizzes, and anyone can post the quizzes, anyone can comment it, anyone can read the informations. So these are all the facilities we are providing for the students.
Very nice, very nice.
It's
Uh,
completely organized.
Can we now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think
Yeah, yeah, sir.
some of
You
the
are
issue was
audible.
there in my audio side.
Okay,
You have
okay.
explained to sir, right?
Yeah,
sir, I
yeah,
have-
sir. I got it. I got it.
So these activities we do, Amos sir, like just to give a platform. Our vision is like to provide a platform to the students where they should, by their own interest, they should love like to spend time and they should end up into the learning. So
Correct.
that is the complete thing. And how did you find everything, sir? Like how did you find like the students are doing all these activities, sir?
Sir, this is highly appreciable, sir. Wonderful work. I had not expected this kind of response from the student. Looking at the number of games played, the response, and the way of commenting, this is very wonderful, and really it would enhance their knowledge. And moreover, I admire your team, sir, for their patience and the response.
Thank you very much, sir.
That's very interesting, sir. I
Rashmi,
like this.
Tejaswini, you should thank sirs.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you,
Thank,
sir.
I would greet the whole team.
thank
That's
you,
nice.
sir.
Thank you. Sir. Thank you, sir.
Rashmi and Tejaswini, Amos sir is my guru when I was in MCA. I was studying MCA.
Sir, for
I
me
think
also,
Bindya,
sir.
Bindya, you are there, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, also we have Bindya also in our team
Oh,
now.
that's fine. That's fine, sir.
Yeah.
That's fine. Oh,
Yeah.
nice team.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful, sir.
She has joined to Sukshma, sir, Bindya.
Oh, nice. Oh, very interesting one. Now it's a good team then.
Sir.
Kamlesh, sir, this is a wonderful work, sir. I really
Thank-
admire it.
Thank you very much, sir. So we will begin all these activities, even the MIT. Now, actually, we are
Sure.
mainly having maximum students participating from Jain Institute Davangere and GMIT Mandya and GMIT Davangere and
STJ.
STJIT Rane Pennur, and we have the students from I think
India.
SBJIT we have, and yeah, like around 5 to 6 colleges they are actively participating by this point of time.
Oh, fine, sir, fine. Hope even will join you with earlier, sir.
Yeah. I think Karthik sir,
Yes, sir.
you have anything to convey, sir?
No, I already explained, sir.
Rashmi, you want to
Yes.
discuss something to sir, or Sindhu, you want to ask something to sir?
No, sir, like anything we need to improve, sir, like in the review session.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. I need to ask about a suggestion, sir. Like how we can make it a better one, that review part.
Oh, preview part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Preview is going very well, but the way you people are handling things is appreciable. Second thing, by every answer, you
Yes,
would have mentioned a descriptive way of justifying the answer is was required.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So there you can assess them to what extent they have understood the concept.
Yeah,
But,
so we are actually daily trying to improve their quality, because in this point of view, first of all, our agenda is at least just make them active little bit, and
Correct,
then
correct.
yeah, like compared to the first week and second week onwards, yeah, they are improving. Yeah, but still,
True.
like as you are suggesting, sir, we are we will definitely consider it even more strongly. So daily
Correct.
basis, we are trying to improve. Like we are so one or the other way, we are trying to motivate them and trying to educate them how
Yes.
to improve the way of answering and way of posting both the things, sir.
Correct,
So
correct, sir. This is beautiful, sir. Beautiful. Ongoing process is beautiful. It's going on very well.
and definitely, sir, with your guidance and with your support, definitely we will day by day will improve it, and we will try to make it more helpful for all the students.
Sure, sir. I'm always with you people for anything.
Fine, sir. Amos, sir, then thank
Yes,
you
sir.
very much for joining us.
Thank you,
Thank you very much for giving and making time for us to be a part of this review session. It was a pleasure having you here. And thank Karthik sir for inviting Amos, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So it was my pleasure, and I thank everyone for this opportunity. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Thank
Good night,
you,
everyone.
sir. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sindhu, you need to post one announcement today, reminding like tomorrow is a surprise Saturday. So they need to just get ready by 12 o'clock. So after 12 o'clock, it can be ended any point of time between you can say like I think we will try to between 12 to 2 you can say. Between 12
Sir,
to 2 we can yeah.
Sir, can I make it early morning, sir, like 7 o'clock? Because like I've kept my laptop upstairs, sir.
Okay, done. Just before 8 o'clock, just do it.
Okay, sir, sure.
Okay, just a reminder for them.
Okay, sir.
And if there is any call, and what I think, like you can arrange a small meeting tomorrow, Rashmi, Tejaswini, Sindhu, with
Yes,
all
sir.
the like best performers and the mentors. Okay,
Sure,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
like the list what you have created. Firstly, you can follow that one. You can just organize a small meeting and try to help them what they need to do basically in the
Sunday.
Sunday activity, and ask them to just inform everyone
Okay, sir.
whoever they are in their touch.
Okay,
Yes.
so
So I think that will be good for them to understand what actually they need to do it. So what they have to do basically, they have to just keep any small code. Doesn't mean like it's not like that they have to have a very good or a very big and like a sequential coding and all. It's not like that. Any sort of code, if they will do it and if they are able to explain it, that's fair enough and that will be acceptable. And same thing, just to try to convey like mainly for the mentors and best performers, and just ask them to convey for whoever they are in the touch.
okay, so okay.
Fine. So we'll disconnect now. We'll end up the meeting, Sindhu.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Thank you, Sindhu. Thank you, Rashmi. Thank you, Vidya.
Thank you, sir.
Karthik
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Rashmi, Tejaswini.
Okay, thank you, sir.